All right, you guys. So like I said in section number 4, right now we're going to be doing routing in the front end. And in order us to actually start using routing, we're going to be installing some packages. And the only package you actually need to install, it's called React Router. And you can install it on Yarn. And that is what we're going to be doing right now. So Yarn add React Router DOM at 6, and that is the latest version of Yarn React Router DOM. So I'm just gonna let it install, and it is already installed. So I'm just gonna Yarn start again, and I'm gonna show you an example over here of routing. So we do not need everything that is in here, but we need to wrap our application in a browser router, right? So let's do that. Let's go into our app.js. Okay, and we're just gonna import browser router from React Router DOM. Okay, and we could also do this. So import browser router as router, and we are also gonna import routes and route. Okay, so let's first off, like I said, wrap our application into a router, which is basically the browser router. We're just renaming it. Okay, and inside that router, we're going to add in routes, which is going to be the routes for all our pages. And then route and path is going to be for home, for example, is going to be this. All right, so let's copy and paste this 3-4 times. Also, let's change classes to be classes. So classes, that is going to be the link, membership, and one last thing, the contact page. All right, so let's change up right now the components, membership, and this one is going to be contact. Okay, let's check it out. All right, so right now we cannot find any difference because we still have these. Let's remove these, and right now we have an empty application, and that is fine because we go into classes. Okay, so actually let me just double check everything. Okay, so we have the router, and the router is wrapped. Okay, so React Router version 6. Let me just double check the concept over here. Okay, so that is supposed to be an element, not a component, because this is React Router DOM version 6. So that is fine. We're just gonna change that. And path is correct, all right? For now, let's just double check that. All right, so path is classes contact. Let's double check that, all right? Okay, so this is still functions are under. Okay. Functions are not valid as a React child. This may happen if you return a component instead of a component from render. Okay, this is why it's actually not working. We just need to return these as components. So, yep. I apologize. I just dealt with React Router DOM version 5 and version 6. So this is the version 6 syntax. So here it is. And it works right now. So let me just refresh that. If we go to classes, classes is going to work. If we go to membership, membership is going to work. And also contact. Okay, I just, yep. Contact. And that works as well. And if we go into, it's going to take us to home. So that is it in terms of routing. See you guys in the next section. We're going to be installing the CSS framework we're going to be using for today. And that is it for section number